Institute of Mathematical Foundations Siddipet, an online and offline coaching center for Navodaya and Sainik entrance examinations. We also offers Maths and Science Foundations from class 2 to class 6.
Friends, welcome to Institute of Mathematical Foundations. It is an online and offline institute for Sainik and Navodaya entrance examinations. We are discussing maths concepts. Maths concept. Now we are at what maths concept number 7. Greater than, less than, equal to. So this is what UKG standard concept. Even though we are at what 5th standard. ఫిఫ్త్ స్టాండర్డ్లో ఉన్నప్పటికీ కూడా అన్ని కాన్సెప్ట్స్ కూడా లోయర్ లెవెల్ నుంచి 5th స్టాండర్డ్ దాకా డెవలప్ చేసిన తర్వాత వీ విల్ ఎంటర్ ఇన్ టు వాట్ సైనిక్ అండ్ నవోదయ ఎంట్రన్స్ ఎగ్జామినేషన్స్. దే ఆర్ టఫ్ సమ్ మోర్ వాట్ ఎవర్ ఇట్ మే బి ద కాన్సెప్ట్స్ యూ ఆర్ లర్నింగ్. కొంచెం టఫ్గా ఉంటాయి. టఫ్ ఉన్నా కూడా భయపడాల్సిన అవసరం ఉందా? నో. సో మ్యాథ్స్ క్లాస్ 16, మ్యాథ్స్ కాన్సెప్ట్ 7. వాట్ ఈస్ దట్ కాన్సెప్ట్? Greater than, less than and equal to concept. Greater than, great, you know, great means what? Big. Great means what? Big. Great means big. Less, you know, less. Less means what? Small. Less means what? Small. Equal. Equal means same. Equal means what? Same. But in mathematics, this greater than, big, less than, small, equal to, we should represent with the symbols. We should represent with the what? Symbols. So what is the greater than symbol? What is the greater than symbol? Greater than symbol is this one. Big side, big side, big. This is the what? Greater than symbol, big. Now could you expect less than symbol? Yes, less than symbol. Less than symbol is what? Small side, small side. Okay, next one, equal symbol. Equal to symbol is this one. Equal to symbol is what? This one. Equal means same numbers. 2 is given. 2 is given. In between those what two numbers you should place equal. Okay, so let me take some examples. So here I am writing 6, 3. Which number is more? This number is more. Big means you should write like this, big number. Okay, next one, 8, 12. Which number is big? This number is big, so that side big symbol is present, big symbol is present. Okay, 7. Both are what? Same numbers. Both are not same numbers. Same numbers means you should place what? Equal symbol. Equal symbol. So now you write what? These examples. 3, not 3. So 15, 20. Next one, 6, 9. Next one, 25 and 25. In 15 and 20, which number is big? This number is big. Big means what? We should write like this only. I am not what explaining by taking up this less than symbol. This is the less than symbol, but small side and a concept on this big side big side. This in this 6 and 9, which number is big? This number is big, so that's why you should place big. This is the what big side. Actually what we are reading as 6 less than 9. That concept is what we will learn in what next session. So just here what putting or placing of what these symbols. 25 same number, so that's why we should place like this. Okay, we should place what like this. This is the what concept belongs to what greater than, less than, equal to. What is the number of the concept? Seventh concept. What is the class number? 16th class. Means what? We completed 15 classes. 15 classes we completed. This is the what? Maths class 16. Maths class 16. In this maths class 16 we discussed greater than, less than and equal to concept. Now class work. What is the class work? What we wrote on the board. What we wrote on the board. You should write from here to here. Total. Maths class number also, maths concept number also, concept name also, and what we discussed also. Next one, homework. So homework number 16, exam number 16. So homework number 16 and exam number 16. So who wants to write homework and who wants to write exam? Actually everyone should write. So homework and classwork should be completed in the morning session. Exam should write what after dinner, before going to bed. Before going to bed you should write what exam. Who required what this homework and exam, homework number and exam number, homework and exam, they should send me what their name, school name, and you write below of that one, you write kindly send me homework 16 sir, kindly send me exam 16 sir. So if you write like that, I will understand and send you what this exam paper and as well as what homeworks, okay. So goodbye children, bye. So you write what these class in class of